Hey groomers, Tyler and Smokey here. He's just relaxing in the sun. So I'm gonna show you something about some scissors. What to look out for when you're purchasing a scissor. So we have this chunker here. It's got the, it's serrated teeth and they're on an angle. Not every tooth ends at the same level. I don't know if you could see that. And the bad thing about this scissor is the teeth are painted. So it's cutting with paint instead of cutting with metal. And unfortunately with this chunker, as a sharpener, we don't sharpen this side when there's serrations and this kind of thing, because we would mess up this whole blade if we leveled this all out. So this one's just kind of goofy. I don't think it will ever really cut that great with this paint on the metal. Whereas you have other chunkers with this style teeth, which if there's paint on it, whatever, we just sharpen it right off and now it's metal again. So just be careful when you're buying scissors. The colored stuff isn't the best. But here's another one, like we can't sharpen these teeth, but it's stainless steel, so we're good. We're good on this one. We do sharpening from the inside. It's more of a honing than a sharpening. But that's it. So and then thinners with that V-notch, that's got to be there. That's there to hold the hair while the straight blade comes down and cuts. If your sharpener sharpens that V-notch off on a newer thinner, that's no good. I could totally understand if you're just trying to get one more sharpening out of it while you're going to buy a new one, just to make it cut. But on a new thinner, never get rid of these marks, and you need them there. It's designed that way for a purpose. So my recommendation is buy stainless and make sure your sharpeners are accountable. Anyway, hope this helps some of you. Have a good day.